Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss a small topic in the part of English. So first we can start with a simple one. Sentence. Did you hear about sentence? Which are the types of sentences? Okay. So what do you mean by sentence? A group of words that combine together and it gives a meaning. So that is called sentence. And you know that what is a sentence, right? So it should be a meaningful one. So in English, we can see that there are different types of sentence. So it is classified into 4. That means sentences are divided into 4. So we can study these 4 sentences in a very simple way. So you have to study the main points, that means the key words regarding this 4 sentences, then it will easy to remember. So we can discuss the first one. I already told you sentences are divided into 4. Which are the 4 sentences? The first one, it is called declarative sentence. Declarative sentence. So the first one is declarative sentence. So sentences, I used the term S instead of sentence. Okay, so the first one is declarative sentence. The first one, declarative sentence, is also known as, in another word, it is called assertive. So the next one is assertive. That means the another name for declarative sentence is assertive. Again, it is known as affirmative. Affirmative. So this is the first type of sentences. The first one, declarative sentence. It is also known as assertive sentence. Another name for declarative sentence is affirmative sentence. So we can look. What do you mean by declarative sentence? Okay, for example, Rahul is a doctor. Rahul is a doctor. So here you got an information about the person Rahul, and you know that he is a doctor. So that is declarative sentence, or we can call it assertive sentence or affirmative sentence. So Rahul is a doctor. That means you got an information about this person. Information about this person Rahul. Or we can say that you got an idea about this person Rahul. Or you can say that you got a statement about Rahul. So this is declarative sentence. So what do you mean by declarative sentence? A sentence that gives you a statement or idea or information. Okay, so that is declarative sentence. I hope you got it. First one, types of sentences. Sentences are divided into 4. The first one, declarative sentence. Another name is assertive. Another name is affirmative. Okay, example, Rahul is a doctor. That means you got an information about this person Rahul. Or we can say that you got an idea about this person Rahul. Or you got a statement about this person Rahul. So what is declarative? A sentence that gives you a statement or idea or information. I hope you got it. So we can move to the next one. After declarative, interrogative. So the second type of sentence is interrogative sentence. What do you mean by interrogative sentence? I give you an example. Who are you? Who are you? So what is this? Who are you? Like you can see a question mark here. So that is interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks you a question. I repeat, a sentence that asks you a question, then it is called interrogative sentence. Then how can you identify it is a question? Just look at the sentence. At the end of the sentence, you can see a question mark. So if it is a question mark in a sentence, definitely it is an example for interrogative sentence. Then which are the types of questions? And you know that yes or no questions are there. Then WH questions are there. So whatever is the question, it comes under the category interrogative sentence. So questions are 2 types. Yes or no questions are there. Then the next one, WH questions are there. So whatever is the question, It comes under the category interrogative sentence. For example, who are you? From where you are coming? What's your then tell me what's your place? So whatever the question, it comes under interrogative sentence. So this is the second type of sentence. I hope you got it. Moving to the next one, the third one, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. So what do you mean by imperative sentence? Again, I give you an example for this. Please close the door. Please close the door. So here I'm telling a person, please close the door. So here this word please, that means it's a request. So what do you mean by imperative sentence? A sentence that gives you a request or command. Request or command. A sentence that gives you a request or command, it is called imperative sentence. For example, please close the door. If you don't mind, please give me your pen. Then please switch off the fan. So whatever it is, it comes under imperative sentence. Whether it is a request or a command, it comes under imperative sentence. So this is the third type of sentence. Moving to the next one, the fourth one, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Then what do you mean by exclamatory sentence? Again, I will give you an example for this. Wow. What a beautiful flower. Okay. Wow, what a beautiful flower. So look at this. After this word wow, you can see some dots again, and after that you can see an exclamation mark here. So this exclamation mark, that shows it's an exclamatory sentence. So these words like wow, oh, ouch, then hooray. So these are called exclamatory words. So exclamation mark, if it is in a sentence, this exclamation mark is present, definitely it is an example for exclamatory sentence. And these types of words, oh my god, OMG, OMG, that means oh my god, it is an exclamatory word. Oh, it's an exclamatory word. Ouch, it's an exclamatory word. Hooray, etc. Okay, so these are called exclamatory words. If it is in a sentence, these exclamatory words are present, that is called exclamatory sentence. For example, for what we are using this exclamatory sentence? To express our sudden emotions and feelings. So, I want to express my feeling. I saw a beautiful flower in my garden. In the morning, I saw a beautiful flower in my garden. I'm very excited and I'm saying that, wow, what a beautiful flower is this. So that wow, that word shows it is exclamatory word. So these types of sentences are called exclamatory sentence. So we can revise everything. So today we discuss the sentences. Sentences are divided into four. The first one is declarative sentence. Another name for declarative sentence is assertive. Another name is affirmative. So please study these three terms: declarative or assertive or affirmative. Then what do you mean by declarative? In a sentence you can study this. Declarative sentence means statements. So a sentence that gives you a statement, it is called a declarative sentence. The next one, interrogative. What do you mean by interrogative? Interrogative is question mark. That means it's a question. So interrogative sentence means it's a question. A sentence that asks you a question. Maybe it is a yes or no question, or maybe it is a WH questions. Whatever it is question. Okay, so it comes under the category interrogative sentence. Then what do you mean by imperative? Imperative, that we can use a full stop here, and here also we can use full stop as the punctuation mark, and interrogative sentence it is question mark. Imperative means request or command. Request or command. So what do you mean by imperative sentence? A sentence that gives you a request or command, it is called the imperative sentence. And the last one, exclamatory sentence. What do you mean by exclamatory? Like what, expressing the sudden emotions of a speaker, and it is marked with exclamation mark. So these are the 4 types of sentences. Declarative, that gives you statements. Interrogative, that gives you questions. Imperative, that gives you request or command. And exclamatory, that gives you expressing the emotions. Expressing the emotions through words. So that is exclamatory sentence. I hope you got it. Which are the 4 types of sentences: declarative, assertive or affirmative. Second one interrogative. Third one imperative sentence, and the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Okay, I hope it's clear to you which are the 4 types of sentence. And now I will give you some questions, so you have to find out the answer. Okay, so the first question: will you wait her? Will you wait her? So first question, you will get 4 options for this, and the options will be assertive, that we already discussed later, assertive, then imperative, exclamatory. So what is this? Will you wait her? 4 options are there. Options means the 4 sentences. That's why I didn't write in the board the 4 types of sentences: assertive, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory. Which type of sentence is this? It is very easy to find out, because at the end of the sentence you can see a question mark. If it is a question mark is here, definitely it will be a question. If it is a question, definitely it is an example for interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, because we know that interrogative sentence that asks you a question. Okay, so will you wait her? At the end of the sentence we can see a question mark here. So it is very easy to find out the answer. The example, the answer is interrogative sentence, because interrogative sentence is talks about question. Okay, I hope you got it. Moving to the second one: I'm your friend. I'm your friend. So again you will get the 4 options. That means the 4 types of sentence. First one imperative, interrogative, exclamatory, declarative. So what will be the answer? I am your friend. So do it. Tell on. I am your friend. Okay. So the first one, what is the first one? Declarative sentence. And we know that declarative sentence that end with a full stop. Okay, so here also you can see a full stop. Okay, so maybe there is a chance for declarative sentence. Okay, then look at the next one, interrogative. And we know that interrogative sentences ends with a question mark. Look at the sentence here, there is no question mark, so there is no interrogative. Interrogative sentence is not. So interrogative, wrong. The next one, imperative sentence. That also you know that imperative sentence that asks you a request or command, and it is ended with a full stop. So there is a chance for that also. Imperative sentence. So there is a chance for that. Okay, next one. What is the 4th type? Exclamatory. Exclamatory that ends with an exclamation mark. but exclamation mark is absent here, so there is no chance for exclamatory sentence. And the remaining the two, declarative and imperative. What do you mean by declarative? Declarative means that gives you a statement. It gives you a statement. What do you mean by imperative? Imperative that gives you a request. Okay, look at the board. I'm your friend. It's not a request. It's not a command. Instead of that, we can say that it is a statement. That means you got an information, I'm your friend. Got it? So the correct answer is declarative. I hope you got it. That means you got a statement, you got an idea, you got an information from this sentence, I'm your friend. It is an example for declarative. Okay, moving to the next one. Third question. She saw the film. She saw the film. Okay. She saw the film. That is the sentence. It is a positive sentence. It is a positive sentence. You have to make the sentence into negative. So, first one, the first type of sentence, declarative. Declarative sentence. I already told you another name is affirmative. Affirmative. So what do you mean by this term, affirmative? Do you have any idea? Affirmative means positive sentence. Affirmative means positive sentence. So here they gave you a question. She saw the film. It is affirmative, positive sentence. You have to make the sentence into negative by adding negative words. So here, she saw the film. Verb you have to change. So is the verb here. Answer will be she. 4 options are here. I will read the options first. She didn't see the film. First option, she didn't see the film. Second one, she doesn't see the film. Third one, she hadn't seen the film. Fourth one, she hasn't seen the film. Okay, look at the first one. She saw the film. You have to change this positive sentence into negative. If you want to change it, first thing you have to find out the verb of the sentence. So is the verb. So means see, saw, seen. That means V1, V2, V3. So here you got the word so it's a past tense. Like V2, past tense. We have to change this into negative. So, what do you mean by so? Did plus see. Did plus see, that is the word so here. So we can use this one, did. Then negative, that means didn't. Then if it is did here, you have to add the first one, V1 of the verb see. She didn't see the film. So it is little bit difficult here because we have to study what you mean by verb first. I hope you know what you mean by verb. Verb means actions. What are our doing? What I am doing? I am teaching now. You are listening now. You are writing. Everything is verbs. Actions are verbs. So V2 ആണ്. So what do you mean by V1, V2, V3? Do you have any idea about this? We can discuss in the next class the verb forms V1, V2, V3. Just find out this answer here. She saw the film. So is the V2 here. Verb formula രണ്ടാമത്തെ form ആണ്, past tense ആണ്. ആ pastൽ change ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതിനെ you can make into negative. She didn't see the film. Then so എന്നുള്ളത് എങ്ങനെ കിട്ടി എന്ന് ചോദിച്ചാൽ ഇതാണ് അതിൻ്റെ form വരുന്നത്. So means did plus see ആണ്. So here we use this term did. Negative ആക്കണം. So we add this term not. Did plus not ആണ്. Didn't. Then we have to add the V1 here. See the film. So didn't see എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ so ആണ്. Okay, so divide ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ we will get this did and see. We want to make it into negative, so that's why we add a not here. So it is didn't see. She didn't see the film. So there is little confusion here. Whatever it is, we will clear in the next class. Verb forms are verb forms are divided into 5 that we can discuss in the next class. Okay, so one more question, the last question. The moon shines at night. 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 Here also 4 types of sentences are we already studied: declarative, imperative, exclamatory, interrogative. Look at the sentence. The moon shines at night. There is no question mark here, so it is not interrogative. There is no exclamation mark here, so it is not exclamatory. So again there is full stop here. So full stop വരുന്നത് രണ്ടെണ്ണമാണ്. One is imperative and the next one is exclamatory. So look at this. The moon shines at night. It is not a request. It is not a command. So we can't say that. It is an imperative sentence. So that's also wrong. The remaining one is declarative. So that means you got a statement, you got an idea, you got an information that the moon shines at night. So it is an example for declarative sentence. I hope you got it. So the questions are in this way. You will get a lot of sentences, and after that you have to find out which type of sentence is this. You will get the 4 options. That means the 4 sentences that we studied here: declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. So find out the types of sentences. Okay, so these are the questions. In the next classes we will get more questions again. So today I am going to wind up the section here. Thank you.